Hi, good morning, guys. This is Prolific Farms, and I'm here this morning to feed my fish as usual. I stocked about 4,000 pieces, and I sorted the fish according to their sizes. So I have 3 ponds here. Each pond gets to have different sorts, different sizes. So I want to speak briefly on fish diseases and treatments. Sometime 3 weeks ago, I came to my pond and I noticed about 5 fishes floating. They were dead. So obviously there was a disease outbreak, and it went on for about 2-3 days. So I had to swing it to action. First thing I did was to apply local treatment. So I got a lot of bitter leaves and I skewed them. I got about 15 liters of bitter leaf juice, and I mixed it with Dangote salt, about 2 of these. So after mixing, I made sure the salts were properly dissolved so it won't affect the fishes. So I poured about 6 to 7 of these. Took a scoop and poured in each of the ponds. So after a day or two, I did that for about 2 days. When I got back, the mortality reduced from 5 per day to about 1 per day. Then someone introduced me to fish mycin. This is the fish mycin or fish cure. So this is the very popular fish antibiotic, fish mycin, fish cure. So what I do is I take my feed and I pour with quantity to the feed. Since my pond is a netting pond, if it were a tarpaulin pond or a plastic pond tank, it could have just dissolved inside water. But since it is a netting pond, I'll just pour in my feed and I mix. After mixing, I administer to the fishes. I pour the pond, so they are coming out to eat. That's what you do when you are caught off guard. You come to your pond and you see fishes dead and stuff. Do not panic, do not fear. Make sure you have your salt ready and you have your bitter leaves ready before you get your fish mycin or fish cure. Do the bitter leaf juice for about 2 to 3 days. Then after that, you would stop. There will be an interregnum of 2 days. So you observe the pond if the deaths are not caused by overfeeding. So if you are very sure that it's not overfeeding, then you can swing it to action. You use your fish mycin for 3 days, morning and night for 3 days. Trust me, you see a difference. Bye-bye.